Hello, music makers. This is just a quick video to thank you for a fantastic year. My little rant about stereo things has gone rather well. That will be the second video to reach 100,000 views this year. The first being UK Garage Drums. So thank you. However, I did have a quick update on that subject. Unfortunately, I didn't realise the ARX1 plugin was Windows exclusive, and I had many comments asking if there was a Mac alternative. After a little bit of searching, I did eventually find one. But first of all, I should have made you aware that any EQ capable of mid-side will do the job as well. Ableton's built-in EQ8 can do this, but just in case your DAW's built-in EQ can't, the free TDR Nova here can be put in difference mode, and therefore you can EQ the side channel. However, if you wanted something a little more like the ARX1 that operates in discrete bands, then there is this plugin. It's called Monster, cleverly spelled M-O-N-S-T-R, mono stereo, and that lets us adjust width in frequency bands. It's by White Elephant, link in the description. And lastly, a little self-promo. The track you're hearing in the background is out now. It's a collaboration between myself and the amazing Yarden saxophone. It's called a Fuego. Go show us some love on your streaming platform of choice. And if you'd like to know how we made it, let me know. I'll make a video. In the meantime, there'll be nothing from me for a couple of weeks while I visit family and friends. But have a good one, and I'll see you next year. Bye-bye.